Here we have a program to search for an element in given list of numbers. So to search a element in a list, we need one list. So we have allowed here user to enter its own list and store it into a list variable. Now, after taking the list from the keyboard, just we have calculated the length of the list and stored the length in a length variable here. Now, after taking the length of a list, just we have asked the user to enter the element to be searched for, and whatever element is entered by the keyboard, it is stored into a element variable. Now we need to do a processing. So to search an element in a list, we have taken one for loop, and I is a control variable here which takes its value from the range 0 to length. So this loop will process from 0 to length minus 1. So as we know, the element is stored in a list in a sequence, because list is a sequence here, and the first element of the list will store it at the index number 0, and second in a 1, and so on. The last will be at length minus 1. So here just we are taking the each element of the list one by one by using the counter variable I and comparing it with the element. So once the element get the proper match, then it will print the statement element found, and just there is a break statement. So the loop breaks there and the control comes out of the loop, because once we found the element, then there is no need to process further. And in another case, there will be no any proper match in any iteration. So the loop will terminate, and the for loop else statement, that is the loop else statement, will get executed, and at the end the message will displayed as element not found. So let's have a demonstration of how it is working on the Python interpreter. So here we have a same program, and when I run the program, then it will ask for the list. So I will enter a list here. As we know, to enter a list, we need a big bracket. So we will enter some elements randomly in this list. Now, I have entered 5 elements in this list, and just I want to process it further. So here in second line it is asking for the element to be searched for. So suppose I will enter here 23, then the message comes as 23 found at index 1. So here, as 23 is the second element of a list, and the element in a list is stored in a sequence, so the first element will be at 0, second element will be at 1. So this is the way it is going to give us a message. So now I will run this program again to see the outcome for the alternate, when the loop is not going to when the program is not going to find the required element, then what it will do. So here again we have taken some elements randomly, and now I am asking for the value 90 here, and as 90 is not present in this loop, so it will give the message 90 not found in given list. So this is the program for the linear search. In linear search, we are going to compare each element of a list, and once the required element will found, then we will come out of the loop, and if loop element is not found, then we will process the entire loop, and at last we will give the message of element not found. So I think it's clear to you. Thank you.